Is your Acura RDX failing to connect to Apple CarPlay, leaving you without maps or music on your drive? 85% of connectivity issues are solved without replacing any hardware at all. Before you look into a full module replacement, let's walk through the diagnostic steps. Start by swapping your cable, forgetting the device in your phone settings, or forcing a hard reset of the infotainment screen. Check for debris in your USB port, verify your iOS is updated, or see if the dealer has a firmware patch. Try the software fixes first, as replacing the actual hardware module is deep in dealership territory. A simple cable is cheap, but replacing a module can easily run you $800 or more. If problems persist, check your accessory fuses and inspect the USB port pins for physical damage. Keep a basic toolkit handy, including a reliable cable and a scanner, to rule out simple electrical faults. Remember that software troubleshooting is almost always the smarter first move. Visit your local Acura dealer if these steps fail, as you might have a covered warranty issue.